Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this updated market mornings brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com, and it is for Monday, the 10th of April, 2023. My name is Robert Roy. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Keep in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. If you like what you see, make sure that anything you find fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. All right. If you like the various platforms and videos that we put out there, guys, make sure you're following along, not only here on YouTube. Ring the bell, subscribe so you get all the notifications, but follow us on all of the different social platforms which have different content going out on them on a regular basis. But make sure you check out tradinglikeaboss.com, where we have all of our free resources available. On that website, you'll find events like today at noon. We have a live training called Power Hour that I do each and every Monday at noon. Go ahead and register for that free event. All right, with that, we've got no economic reports to talk about today. Plenty for the week, but none for today. Right, we look at the futures right now. The ES is down about 7 3/4. The Dow is down 9. Nasdaq's getting hit the hardest. They're down about 63. RUT's down 80 cents. Bitcoin's still up above 28K. Ethereum, they're down $1.50, so nothing really there. Gold's down 9, and crude, it's kind of leveled off at 80 3/4 right now so far for the day. All right, if we go and look at our charts, SPX is our very first one that we always look at, right? So let's go and bring that in a little bit. And we had that bounce on Friday. It was a good, strong move. Thursday. Friday was a holiday. Good, strong move for the last week and a half or so. A couple of days of pullback. Bounced off the fib, bounced off the 8. All important levels. Recent swing high we need to get above to continue that bullish pattern. We're kind of flattish right now, though nothing really happening. All right, first up on the docket is COF. They've got a lawsuit coming on them from Walmart. Wally World is after them. They're down $3.28. I don't know what the lawsuit is about, nor do I care. But they're down $3.28. They do have $1 increments. Overall it's $1 increments in there. So they're already down. I like it. We're going to look at a bear call spread above 96. All right, next is Micron, MU. Right, chip price cuts. Micron is up today on that news, $3.54, which means they're sitting at 62. So we're going to look at, you see, we're all the way up here already. We're right at that fib line. We're 62.10. We're right there. I don't know how much premium we're going to get, but we're going to look at a bull put spread below 59, which is our next fib line. PXD. We're looking at a buyout on PXD. The buyout is potentially by ExxonMobil is what they're talking about. They were in a bullish neutral bias on Friday's close. They're up $14 and jingle right now to 223 even. So let's see, 222.65. So 222. We're going to look at a bull put spread below 220. I'd probably do it aggressive just because it's had such a big move already to it. Square, downgrade on Square. They're down about $1 or so, $1.25 right now. Nothing great. I like this massive move. 66.88 right now. They were in a bearish neutral bias. 66.88. So we're right down below that 67.27. Guys, I'm going to be careful on a direction, sorry, not a directional trade. I'm going to be careful on the spread here. It hasn't moved enough. It's already bearish, so I do like that. It's not low enough below that 67.24. So I need the stock. I need the stock to go to 65.5. Then a retest of the 67.25. And we're off. Then I need a bear call spread above 67.5. We have a 67.5 here, right? Or a long option. In this case, if we get that fail, that continuation fail, I may trade a directional trade because they're on my list of the 20 stocks that I look to trade every day, as is Tesla. Now, they're opening a new plant in China for these mega batteries. They're also lowering prices on some of the vehicles in China. So Tesla is now down $3.37 on that news to 181.5. excuse me, right now. Puts them right at that support level. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 191, or again, a directional option. Tesla's one of those stocks on my list. If you trade Tesla and you know them, then it's okay to take these types of trades, directional trades on newsy type candidates. If you don't know that stock, meaning you're not familiar with them, I don't mean you know who Tesla is, how they trade, how they work, then stay away from the directional trades and just stick with the news, which is spreads. WDC is our last one. They have earnings. They're up $1.70, 36.85. Their numbers looking good. Puts us just above bearish to no. Next, I'm gonna pass. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it, and remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, and I will see all of you at our next update. Bye for now.